Hey everyone, welcome to the video, and this is how far we had completed our website the last time. We completed the boxes, the package boxes, and now what we need to do is create the review section from the users, and we'll also learn how to add the school effect to the background. So let's get started, and this is the website we're working on, and okay, these are just reviews I've copied and pasted, so we can just paste them whenever we want to write the review. Alright, so we'll create a new section of class section reviews, and it will have a heading called reviews from clients. And I'll give this heading a class as well. Review heading. Alright, so this is how it looks right now, and let's style it. So I've already separated it from the top. Yeah. So let us first section reviews and give a margin top of around 50 px or 30. Okay, that would do. And set its display to flex and flex direction as column and align items center. Perfect. And let us also give it a background image. For that, we'll also give it a dark effect. So if you remember, we'll add the linear gradient again, the black color with a transparency of 0.7, again the same color. Perfect. And now the image, we also have to give the image we want in the background, a comma URL and images, and yeah, testimonials background. So right now you can't see it because we didn't add the height, so it only extends itself as much as the content inside it. So let's give it a height of around 70 vh. Okay, we can't see the complete picture, so we need to fit the whole picture over here. So background size cover. So let me show you what happens if we do it contain. This is what happens. It keeps repeating itself. Like if the image is smaller of a smaller size, it will repeat itself many times. So we want the complete image. So we'll write cover, and yeah, let us now style the heading. So the views heading, we want it in uppercase. So text transform uppercase, and I don't want it to be that bold as well. So font weight 100 and font size as 40 px, better. And let's give it a border bottom of 5 px solid orange red. Okay, and let's add a small margin on the top of around 10 px. Okay, and now let's go to make the review boxes. Okay, so for them, let us add another div and review boxes. Okay. Okay, now we'll design the first review box and then we can just copy paste and change the content inside. So again, div review box, and what we need, okay, let me just set the displays first. So the review boxes first will have a display flex, and we don't want it to be a column layout, so we'll just give it display flex and not the flex direction. And justify content center, align item center, and a review box will have a display of flex again, and here we have to specify the flex direction as column because we're gonna have the image as well as the review and the site. So it's gonna be in a column layout, right? Because they're on top of each other. The image has the review below it, and similarly. So, and I can write align items center. Right. Now let us add our first image, and image src images user one. Great. And I'll give it a class of client image. So let us style the image a bit. Client image, and we'll give it a width of 150 px, height auto, and add a border radius of 50%, so it becomes circular. Yeah, and we can also give it a margin. Okay, yeah, I'll give that to the box. Margin 80 px, 60. Okay, great. And now let's add our review. So for this, we can use a block quote. For writing quotes and everything, we can use the tag block quote, and it's just to add simple text only, but it's more, it's like specialized or specially created to write quotes. And then in the site, I'm gonna add the name. So you can just go over here, and yeah, I'm sorry. Perfect. And now I'm gonna specify the width of a box. That can be around 350 px or 400. Alright, and let us add some margin to the image as well. Margin of 40 px. Better. And this can be 50. Okay, and we want this to appear exactly in the left, so I'll just add it over here and leave a line with the br tag. There we go. And I guess it's complete. So now all we need to do is copy this section of review boxes. review box and paste it. Paste. Alright, and we just need to change the content inside user 2 and add the review of the second user over here and change the name. And this can be Jake Scott and user 3, add the review of the third user and change the name. Yeah, so we don't require these now. I'll just remove them. And this is how it looks. So we can add a bit more margin to the review box. And yeah, justify content center. So this is the review box, and now to add that effect in the background, for that what we can do is go over here and background attachment fixed. So you have this effect over here, and to do the same thing, like we can add the same effect to our header as well. Yeah, okay, we already, I think I added it. So yeah, it's over here. So if we don't have it, this is how the header looks, and after adding it, this is what changes. So in the next video, we just got one section left, that is the contact us, and it's gonna be a very small part, so we're gonna finish it off very quickly. So see you in the next video.